Okay, let me share my screen. I hope everyone able to hear my voice and can you see my screen? Can anyone confirm, please?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Thank you. So before going to the actual session, so in the last session, what we discussed about what is ERP in the demo and what is the purpose of and what is the usage of ERP. And Oracle Fusion is also one of the ERP software. So what and all the ERPs we have in the market which are leading that we discussed. And also we discussed about Oracle Fusion financials and what we are going to deal in the next few days that we discuss in the demo. So these are the primary modules which we are going to discuss and cover during our sessions. So coming to Fusion introduction, today just I would like to give some context like a text what we are going to discuss in the next few days. Like our daily sessions are going to be in presentations, okay, which covers theory and also has steps to execute in the Oracle Fusion application. So our discussion, daily class discussion would be primarily we will discuss about theory. Majorly it will classify into three ways, three parts. First one is theory, and next we will discuss use case discussion. Like for every topic, we will discuss theory and also the practical scenario, real-time scenario. We will discuss concept. Of each topic. Okay. The use case discussion means we will discuss each and every concept in Oracle with the real-time scenario of each topic. And for we will see the each concept or topic in the system demonstration. Okay, system demonstration we will see. We can say practicals. So the session would be like daily, primarily on these three areas only. So we will discuss theory part and also we will discuss use case discussion. Use case discussion means the concept or topic with a real-time scenario of each topic. We will discuss about the example of real case and how we will execute in the system that we will see in the Oracle Fusion application, practicals, demonstration we will see. And also remember that this is primarily covers all the business scenarios, whatever we are going to implement in the system. These all we are real world we are going to implement the same way we execute in the daily sessions as well. Okay. So whenever we are discussing, if you have any questions, just during the sessions while we are discussing, please mute yourself. If you have any questions, unmute, ask, and again, please mute yourself immediately. Okay, so that there wouldn't be any disturbances and the recording would be smooth. And if still you have any questions during the day or while you are practicing, you can post those questions in our group chat immediately, or if you still have any open questions, we can discuss in the next day and we will discuss and we will see what are the issues you are facing on daily basis. Okay, this is the thing I would like to share. So coming to the introduction, Fusion introduction. Okay, today we will discuss about Oracle roles, and also we will discuss about on-premise versus cloud, and we will discuss about cloud computing services. Okay, so these are the basic things which we would like to know before moving to actual Oracle product. So once we understand these three things, then we will move to actual Fusion application reduction. Okay, first we will understand the basic points before moving to the Fusion introduction. So Oracle roles. So here in the sense Oracle roles in the sense Oracle job roles. Like we will be having Oracle jobs, three different kind of jobs we have. One is functional consultant. Okay, so we have functional consultant job, technical consultant, and third job, DBA. Okay, so we have three different kind of jobs in Oracle. Okay, functional consultant, technical consultant, and DBA consultant. In Oracle, we have three jobs. So we are going to learn and we are going to work as a functional consultant. Okay, technical consultant is primarily like a coding and programming. We are not going to work, but we will see very basic technical SQL queries, how we will run in OTBI, what to do in BI reports and all we will see. But we are going to learn and we are going to work as a functional consultant only, not as a technical consultant. So this is also one of the job role we have in Oracle. And the next one is DBA consultant. This is completely with Oracle Corporation. Right now, DBA jobs and all completely handled and owned by Oracle only. Okay, this is also one of the job. So in a project, in any project in Fusion application, primarily we will be having functional consultant and technical consultant only. Okay, the most of the job roles, most of the team members would be there on functional only. Okay, very less people in technical consultant. So completely we are going to discuss about functional job role only. Like how to configure, how to do transaction, what is the process of each and every topic, and what is the integration. Okay, these and all we are going to discuss as a functional consultant. Okay, fine. So the next thing is on-premise versus cloud. Okay, on-premise versus cloud. What is mean by on-premise? What is meant by cloud? Okay, on-premise. On-premise means the software is installed physically. Okay, so it means, let's say we will be having servers. Okay, in the on-premise, first I will talk about on-premise, then we will see what is cloud and what is the difference between on-premise and cloud. So what we are going to deal with the cloud. Okay, that we will discuss. First, we will understand about on-premise. So on-premise means this is in an office, you are going to maintain a physical server. Okay, in an office, we have to allocate some space. In that space, we have to maintain these servers. Who will maintain? These servers will maintain by employees. Okay, so to maintain these servers, and we need to have some space. That is, we need to have building. To maintain or to work employees, we need to have building space. These employees will be sitting in the building and the servers will be maintained by physically by employees. So all these softwares we need to purchase license for these servers. Okay, for these to maintain or to install these to maintain servers, we need to purchase softwares. Okay, and also maintenance also would be there. Okay, once we purchase the softwares, if any repairs and all will be there, those maintenance should be done on these softwares. Okay, and if any updates from old version to new version, that is also will be handled by these employees only in the on-premise. Okay, and also this is expensive. Why it is expensive? Because we have to purchase software from the vendor and we have to maintain the building. Okay, we have to maintain the space to install the softwares, and we have to recruit the employees to maintain the softwares, to install the softwares, and to do the maintenance. We have to recruit the employees and pay the salaries. All these are so expensive in the on-premise. Okay, and also to move from old version to new version, it is a very lengthy process as well, time taking. So far, almost all almost since till 3 or 4 years back, all the ERP software would be do in the on-premise only. I can say till 2020, all the softwares, it could be SAP, Oracle, Workday, or any software, it would be on-premise only. So every client, they will maintain the building, they will install the softwares, and they will maintain the servers in the office premises itself, and they will maintain separate employees to install, to do upgrade, to do maintenance, installation of softwares. Everything will be done in the on-premise only. But last 4 or 5 years, this is completely got changed. So most of the almost 95% more from on-premise to cloud now. So what is cloud? Cloud, it is completely virtual. So there is no physical appearance at all. So how our Google Drive would be there, similar way, Oracle Cloud is also similar way. Just we have to purchase space, and we have to we have to subscribe the application. That's it. So we need to maintain server. We don't need to get the servers. We don't need to maintain any softwares. Maintenance is not required. We don't need to do any update. So we don't need to maintain a separate space. Everything, it is cloud. Cloud, it is server is maintained by cloud vendor. So who is the cloud vendor? Cloud vendor is Oracle. So the servers are completely maintained by Oracle cloud vendor. The employee also maintained by cloud vendor. So this is completely by cloud vendor only. So our cloud vendor is Oracle cloud vendor, I mean to say. So completely servers, employees, building, software, maintenance, everything, update, everything will be owned by Oracle only. But on-premise, this is completely maintained by us. Us in the sense, the person to whom we are implementing this Oracle, like the client, that is maintained by client only, this one. Okay, completely their own team, it will be maintained on-premise. But cloud is maintained by Oracle Cloud Vendor. Simply we can say just it's like a subscription kind of. Cloud is nothing but a virtual. We can say just we will take some kind of subscription. We will purchase and use that it. That's it. This is very less expensive. Okay, but in on-premise, it's the amount wise, subscription wise, update, effort, time, everything. It is huge in the on-premise. But cloud, we don't no need to maintain anything. Everything will be handled by Oracle Cloud only. Just we have to purchase the application and take it and we can use it. That's it. Completely virtual. Okay. So this is the major difference. This is physically we have to maintain. This is virtually we have to use cloud. So we are going to deal with Oracle Cloud. Cloud only we are going to learn. Okay, fine. So moving to the next one. These are the basics which we should aware. No one will ask in the interview just what kind of role we are going to work and on which side we are going to work. We are going to learn on-premise or cloud. The terminology we should know. What is cloud and what is on-premise. And next, what kind of services? Cloud computing services. So the cloud computing services, okay, under cloud we are having three major computing services, cloud computing services. What are those? SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. Okay, so these are the three categories, three services, cloud computing services: SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. What is SaaS? SaaS means software as a service. Okay, PaaS means platform as a service. IaaS means infrastructure as a service. So I will take you through in detail like what is SaaS and what is PaaS, what is IaaS. Okay, so which we are going to learn in our sessions, that also we are going to discuss. First we will understand what is SaaS. Okay, SaaS. SaaS means software as a service. So we are going to discuss about SaaS server only, not on PaaS and IaaS. Okay, so first we will discuss about SaaS. What is SaaS? SaaS is completely handled by cloud vendor. Okay, SaaS service is completely handled and owned by cloud vendor. Okay, and this is a ready-made software. Just we will take the subscription from Oracle and we will use it. That's it. It's a ready-made software. We can just use it. That's it. modifications or customizations. So customizations are very less. So modifications we can't do much in the SaaS service. Okay, this is completely restricted. Simply we can say it's fully restricted. Okay, so this service completely owned and handled by Oracle Cloud Vendor. Just we will get the service from Oracle. That's it. We can use it. This service. Okay, this is ready-made software. Customizations are not possible as compared to PaaS and IaaS. Okay, the modifications and all we can do very less, and it is fully restricted. This is the SaaS service. So coming to the PaaS service. So PaaS service, we can say 70% maintained by cloud vendor, nothing but Oracle. Remaining 30% will be maintained by us. Okay, 70% will be owned by Oracle Cloud Vendor. Remaining 30% we have to maintain this PaaS service. If you go and subscribe this PaaS solution, PaaS service, like out of 60 to 70%, it will be maintained by Oracle. 30% will be maintained by us. So what we will maintain? So in this PaaS service, we can do few modifications. We can do few things by our own. Okay, we can recruit a separate team, like a technical team, who has knowledge on PaaS solution. Okay, they can do the modifications are possible in this service, PaaS service. We can say partially restricted, not fully, partially restricted. Here database will be provided in the PaaS service. We can do the customization slightly compared to SaaS. Customizations are possible. Okay, customizations are possible in the PaaS service. So if you go with IaaS service, if you go with IaaS service, this is Oracle. It's completely reverse. 30% maintained by cloud vendor. Remaining 70% will be maintained by us. Okay, if you go with this service, completely it is owned by primarily by us. Okay, we have to maintain the database, we have to maintain the servers, we have to maintain all the customization issues and all, everything will be maintained by us only. Okay, there is no restriction in this service. No restriction in this service. We can do full customization. Whatever the changes you want, we can do in this as service. We can do any changes in the application. We can do page customizations. We can do any modifications, personalizations we can do. So whatever the application we can do anything by using this service. But the Oracle support would be very less. They will not do any support. Like if any features, any issues comes up, if we ask any support from Oracle, they will not support on this service. Okay, this is completely no restrictions in this service. Okay, but most of the people, almost I can say 80 to 90% will go with the SaaS service only, because this is completely and fully maintained by Oracle Cloud Vendor. Okay, most of the people will go with SaaS model only. Oracle is providing almost all the business scenario solutions currently. So we are getting every quarterly we are getting new features based on the requirements, based on the enhancements. We are getting most of the solution from the SaaS only, SaaS model only. Okay, but PaaS depends on the size of the business, depends on the client requirement. They will choose PaaS and IaaS. Okay, this is costly compared to SaaS. Okay, the purchase wise, the software wise, and maintenance, employees, and the risk wise, it is completely more compared to SaaS. If we go with SaaS model, we will get a complete support from Oracle product. Okay, this is ready-made software. Just purchase, take it, use, implement the software, and whatever the business scenarios are, execute it. That's it. If any issues, Oracle will do the support. But the thing here is customizations are very minimal compared to the PaaS and IaaS. Okay. So just I will take a pause. Any questions till now? Okay, fine. So I will take it as no. Then moving to next. So far whatever we discuss, okay, we are going to learn on financial module. Okay, and we are going to work as a functional consultant. Okay, and also we are going to learn cloud. Cloud, which service we are going to learn? We are going to learn SaaS model. In Oracle application. This is what we are going to deal and we are going to learn next few days. So we are going to learn financial modules as a functional consultant. In which area? We are going to learn in cloud as a SaaS model in Oracle application. This is what we are going to deal. Okay, fine. So moving to the Fusion introduction. Okay, this is basics. So which you should aware of all these points, at least like what is cloud and what are the roles we have in Oracle and what are the services are provided by our cloud. So these and all basics we should know. It's not a subject related information. Just at least we should have an idea. All these points. Okay, fine. So we should understand few points before moving to Oracle Fusion introduction. Okay. Before moving to introduction, let's say we will be having a consulting firm, and we have a client. Okay. So what is consulting firm and what is client? So we should know the terminology, these two. Consulting firms, we can say, let's say we got a job on Oracle Fusion Functional Consultant. Okay. Wherever we are getting a job, right, they will recruit those and all, we can say consulting firms. So consulting firms, we can say TCS is a consulting firm, IT consulting. Deloitte, Wipro, TCS, okay, all these we can say consulting firms. So we are going to work in consulting firm only. Okay, client means client is our customer. Okay, client is our customer to whom we are going to implement Oracle Fusion application. Okay, client is our customer to whom we are going to implement Oracle Fusion application. So, as I said, this is Deloitte, Infosys, Wipro, okay, HCL, Tech Mahindra, all these are consulting firms. Okay, they will recruit. We are going to work in these consulting firms. Okay, and we will implement our Fusion application to our client. Let's say, okay, our client is Adani Group. Okay, you can take it anything, Adani Group or DMart, Walmart, okay, Airtel, all these are clients we can say. Okay, let's say, let's assume we will take an example. Okay, our client Adani Group gave contract to consulting firm. Okay, to all these vendors, TCS, Deloitte, KPMG, PwC, all these consulting firms. Our client has given contract to these vendors. Okay, what they will say, whoever give the best price. Okay, all these consulting firms will come up with the best price and they will give contract to our client. Okay, these consulting firms will give a this is what the quotation, this complete implementation, we are going to give some amount. So we are going to give this much amount, and these information will be shared to this client. What our client, what client will give based on this best quotation. Our client will give this implementation project to these consulting firms. Okay, these consulting firms, they are going to recruit, and we are going to work as a finance functional consultant on Oracle application, either in TCS, Wipro, Infosys, or Deloitte, and we are going to implement this Fusion application to this client. Okay, and our client will purchase Oracle Fusion software, Oracle Fusion application from Oracle Corporation. They will purchase Oracle software from Oracle Corporation. Okay, SaaS model service, we can say. Once our client purchases the software from Oracle Corporation, okay, Oracle will provide few default users. I can say generic users. It would be like Fin implementation, okay, or Fin admin user. This kind of users Oracle Corporation will provide. The generic users Oracle will provide to our client. What the client will do? Client will share these credentials, whatever the generic users and the instance details. Instance in the sense, nothing but a application. Okay, Oracle Fusion application, wherever we are logging, right? Those information, generic user details and instance details will be shared to this consulting firm. Okay, let's say our client, assume our client Adani Group gave contract to TCS. Okay, so TCS is going to implement Oracle Fusion application to this Adani Group client. Okay, so TCS is going to implement this Fusion application to Adani Group client. So our client has shared the generic and instance details to TCS. Okay, once we get these generic details and the application instance details, once we receive, okay, we are going to work as a function consultant in TCS. Okay, once we receive all these details, what we will do as a first step, we will enable the offerings. So this point we already, what is offerings? So this one we discussed it here. Financials, wherever this one is, right? Financial is one offering. Purchasing is one offering. HM is other offering. Similar way, like retail is different offering. So offerings are, we are having in Oracle offerings around 28 or 29 offerings we have. Okay, we are having around 27, 28, 29 offerings we have, that I will show you where we can see all these offerings. Okay, what is offering? Financials is one offering. SCM is another offering. HCM is also offering. PPM is also offering. Okay, like this, we will be having 28 or 29 offerings we have in Oracle. So which offering we are going to use? We are going to work and we are going to deal with financials. Financial offering, we are going to work and we are going to enable financial offering in the application. Once we receive the users from the client, okay, then we will log into the application. As a first step, we will enable the financial offering. And we will also enable procurement, because few of the setups are dependent with the procurement. That is the reason we will enable procurement application also. Okay, fine. So as a first step, we have received the credential from our client. Okay, as a first step, we have to enable the offering. So we have to perform two steps. Step one, login into the Fusion application. Login into Fusion application. Next, enable financials offering. These are two steps we have to do. Step one, step two. So first we will log in into the Fusion application. Just I will take you through how the application look like. Okay. Just let me log out. So as I said, we are going to receive generic user like Fin implementation, Fin user, or some whatever the users are provided by Oracle, that we will receive user login, like username and password we will receive, and instance link we will get from Oracle. So by default, Oracle will provide two instances. Okay, what are those? Dev instance and prod. I will take you through in detail, like what type of instances we have in implementation, what kind of instances we will use, what is the purpose of different instances and all. We will discuss in detail going forward. Okay, by default, Oracle will provide two instances, two applications. Let's say this is the URL which Oracle has provided. Okay, HTTP, this one Oracle has provided. Okay, we are getting user ID from Oracle and password we have received. Okay, just you have to enter the user ID here and the password you have to provide here. Once you provide user ID and password credential, just you have to sign in. Simple how you will log into the Gmail or Facebook. Similar way, just Oracle will provide one URL. Just you have to copy and paste it in the browser to connect the application. Okay. Then you have to provide user ID and password. Just click on sign in. Okay. The page is look like this one. Okay. In the left side, we can say navigator. We call it as navigator. Where whatever the application access we have, all the transactions will be performed from the navigator only. Okay. Any configuration, any setup, we will do it in the setup and menu, right side. The right side pane, we will do all the configuration and all we will do here, setup and maintenance. Just click on setup and maintenance. Okay, we will discuss what is this functional setup manager, where we will see the setups and all, which and all modules we are going to implement. All these we will discuss going forward. The thing here is what we are doing. We will go step one. What we have to do, we have to log in into the application. We have logged in and we have provided the generic credentials into the application. Then the next step, what we have to do, we have to enable the offerings. So to enable the offering in the application, what we have to do, we have to go to navigator, scroll little down, click on my enterprise. Once we click on this one, the options will be shown. Okay, it will get expanded. Click on offerings. Click on offerings. So in this application already this offering was enabled. Okay, as I said, we will be having around 29 or 28 offerings we'll be having in Oracle application. See, these are the offerings: compensation management, customer data management, financials, accounting hub, grants. All these are offerings which was Oracle provided. Risk management, sales, service. These are all the offerings. Okay, we are going to learn financial model. Just click on financials. See, in this application already this is enabled. The complete financial module was enabled in this application already. Okay, if you are getting a fresh instance, okay, by default Oracle will get enabled this one. Okay, if you wanted to enable, we will getting an option here, enable this financial offering. Just we can click on enable it. So most of the cases Oracle itself will enable this financial offering whenever we are purchasing the application from them. They will only enable and they will provide to us. Okay, if you wanted to see documentation, what features are available with the Oracle application, what and all applications or modules we have, we can see in the PDF. What setups we have to perform, what are the business objects, everything will be there in this PDF. It's like some kind of navigations, materials kind of information. By default, Oracle has provided in every instance. Okay, this is how we will enable the financial offering. And I said one more, it is procurement. Procurement, you come here, see, procurement also is enabled. Okay, primarily we are going to work on financial offering. Okay, fine. So any questions so far? Okay, fine. That's all for today. We'll continue tomorrow. If you have any questions, just let me know. Otherwise, we can wind up the session for today. Thank you all.